So today we are going to make a video on groceries on making a hot pot at home. So let's get beginning. So now let's go. Have to take a basket. Now we are at the vegetables and fruits counter and we are going to take these things. Brown butter mushrooms, pop, spinach. We can always take a chicken cube or the chicken powder. I'm taking the chicken cube. Over here, I like preserved ones, mushrooms too. So I'm taking this one. This one you should see. We can use homemade chilies as well. This is a Korean chili paste. I recommend this if you want it really tasty and spicy. While the butcher is cutting the meat over there, we are going to take some corns. We did not know that there was cutted meat already, but I prefer the fresh meat always. So I'm taking this tofu for our hot pot. All the parts we need for hot pot. So first we're going to start with this is really light out. This makes for the so we have muslin cloth, spread, and this is called a funnel.